Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. This video is about the look I created with my new Camel eyeshadow palette. If you like camel shades, so this is the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette for you.